just hanging out before I go in, so I could get a shot of this, which I actually get to ride tomorrow. GYTR. Get used to that.
The GYTR, that's not Great Yarmouth Train Railway, is it?
No, or YMCA,
no,
or
anything like that.
GAY.
So the genuine Yamaha Technology Racing.
Yes.
The bike, that looked incredible. I bet it sounded incredible. I can imagine it was pretty sexual to ride as well.
I will go as far as saying that's the best bike I've ever ridden. So this is the GYTR with cams and spandooly big bogs and bing bangs, and it's just the thing I want to ride after a salmon luncheon. So while we're here nattering away, I've got no idea what these are. I guess it's all linked to the system, but all of these parts are available to buy from Yamaha themselves. Race shift. It feels so much better already. Oh, it's definitely got more power. Oh, and that blipper is very nice. Oh, the rear sets are nicer. The clip-ons feel different. Oh, yes! This is so much better! Oh my god, it's absolutely... just feels so much more direct, and mainly just the riding position on that reverse shift. Oh my god, the rampancy! Fucking hell! This is absolutely incredible. Incredible. But the power increase just seems so perfect. It's not so much that you get so intimidated by it. Oh, but it's enough to just feel so good. And the gearing as well has obviously changed. I'm so happy with these clip-ons. It's given me so much more support in the braking zone. Right here. Oh, just the wider and bigger. He's like some Suzuki bloke. Suzuki, Yamaha. The brakes are so much better. The braking zone, the braking markers are good. 15 yards further back. This really is a fantastic experience. Having a bike that's actually set up properly by Yamaha themselves. And being able to cruise around here. It is absolutely mega. Well, that was the end of an absolutely fantastic session, only ruined by my poor fitness. What a thing. What a thing.
Okay.
Wow.
Different motorcycle, huh?
Oh my god, completely different. Do you know what, the most, for me, the clip-ons, forward, wider, because I'm so big, like one of these, it's stressing me so much. That was easier to ride because the position's better, more braking support, but the engine speeds up so much quicker.
Smooth, easy to ride.
So good, yeah. Wow, that is incredible. Now, partly because it's a Yamaha product, built by Yamaha technicians, and set up by the Yamaha team.
Yeah.
So
how are they going to bugger it, are they?
And they've had 2 World Superbike riders running around there, setting it up for the last 3 days.
Okay.
So it was so sublime, words fail me.
Can you give us a sort of brief spin on what that bike, what was different about that bike to the other?
Okay, well there was 2 specifications there. One was stock engine completely, but it seemed to be focused on Nix cartridges. Yeah. Had Marcassini wheels. It had full system. Race frame. So that was kind of like your normal super stocker track bike legend type setup. And the second one had all that, minus the Marcassinis, interestingly. But it had cams, pistons, conrods.
Oh, the full lot.
Like it was, it was. I think they stated it was 15 PS increased power at the crank. So
about 14 horsepower more.
30, yeah. So and they're saying they state this is 200 PS at the crank.
Yep.
So it's 215. It lost 15 kilos in weight easily, and it was geared so you could actually pretty much hit the limiter in 6th going down the pit straight. Whereas this,
I was going to say, standard, this is the longest bike in the world, isn't it?
Yeah, standard. It's like you might get out of 4th if you're lucky.
Yeah. Wow.
And honestly, it was incredible. Incredible.
Oh, well, I am very jealous.
The speed, I mean, this engine spins up quick anyway.
Yeah.
But that thing, especially coming out of the penultimate sort of shitty double apex, on that little squirt before the terrifying drop round that terrifying, round there, the bike's like this. Like just...
With you on it?
Yeah.
Really?
Reckless, yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. I mean, I turned the traction up to like 1,000, so it was like... but yeah, it was... one of the it was the best bike I've ever ridden, and that was probably the best track experience I've ever had that session.
Wow.